Most people die at 25, but they aren't buried until 75. They spend their lives feeling like something is missing. A fire, a strength, a power they know is inside, but they can't set it free. Your potential isn't a gift you'll receive in the future. It's a debt you owe yourself today. And the truth is, you're wasting it. Mastering your potential isn't about adding more. It's about destroying what's holding you back. Potential is like water behind a dam. That dam is built from comfort, fear of judgment, and instant gratification. Every time you choose easy pleasure over hard discipline, you reinforce that wall. You are suffocating the warrior you could become to feed the coward you are today. Stop lying to yourself, look in the mirror, and admit where you are weak. Potential starts exactly where your excuses end. Potential isn't unlocked by a single event, but by 1,000 tiny wins. How do you treat your first hour of the day? How do you treat your body? If you can't master your day, you will never master your life. Steel only becomes a blade under the heat of the fire. Seek out the struggle, take the cold shower, lift the heavy weight, study when you want to sleep. Discipline is the key that unlocks the cell of your potential. In 90 days, you could be a stranger to everyone who knows you now. The world doesn't need another mediocre soul. It needs you to become what you are capable of being. The clock is ticking, the debt is due. Unlock it.